The Comma Conundrum. Mastering non-defining relative clauses. Hello, language learners. Today we are taking a deep dive into non-defining relative clauses, and we're focusing on a common mistake that even seasoned English speakers sometimes make: the misplacement of commas. Yes, those tiny, seemingly insignificant punctuation marks can make a world of difference in the clarity of your sentences. So buckle up, and let's dive right in. Before we tackle the common mistakes, let's first understand what non-defining relative clauses are. These are clauses that give additional information about someone or something, but do not define them. We often use who for people in these clauses. For example, my sister, who lives in London, is a doctor. The clause, who lives in London, is a non-defining relative clause. It gives additional information, but it isn't necessary to understand that my sister is a doctor. Now, let's discuss commas. You might have noticed 2 commas in our example. These commas are crucial. They separate the non-defining relative clause from the rest of the sentence. Essentially, they indicate that the information in the clause is not essential to understand the main message of the sentence. Without these commas, the sentence could be confusing or misleading. The most common mistake is simply misplacing these commas, or even worse, omitting them entirely. When you forget to place a comma before the who and after the non-defining clause, it could make your sentence hard to understand. For example, consider this incorrect sentence. My friend who lives in New York is a chef. It seems as if you're specifying which friend, the one living in New York, among many friends, is a chef, which changes the intent of your sentence. To correct this, you would say, my friend, who lives in New York, is a chef. Now, it's clear that you're providing additional information about your friend. And that's it for today. Remember, commas play a critical role in non-defining relative clauses. They help your reader understand what information is additional and not necessary to understand the main message. Misplacing or omitting them can cause confusion, so always double-check your sentences. Thanks for joining us today, and keep practicing those commas. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Until next time, keep learning and growing.